We thought about the insulation because the cottage was built as a seasonal cottage, i.e. it's not really winterized, but most of the rest of the cottage at least has some insulation, but the floor and the underneath didn't have any insulation, and it's quite open. There's quite a volume of air under there, so the floors get very cold. For the underfloor, we looked at a number of different types of insulation, bat insulation and board insulation.
We looked around to find a product that would be suitable for our needs. It had to be something that was resilient because it's outside. And in our cottage, like many cottages, we do tend to get mice in and some insects. And anything that would help that but not contribute to the problem was an important consideration. Another factor that we considered was the environmental concerns that we have living in Muskoka. It is important to us that we don't pollute the lake or harm or alter the environment, and the environmental opportunities provided by this product were certainly a factor in choosing it.
Canada has a very big initiative to reduce CO2 emissions. This project will help meet that initiative. This lake house is in a community where sustainability is very important. That, coupled with the extreme winter weather here, makes spray foam using Solstice LBA a really good solution. Solstice LBA is an ultra-low GWP product that is our 4th generation product. It has a GWP of 1, which is about 1,000 times less than the alternatives. But not only does it have less of a global warming impact, we are also seeing that it has better performance over the alternatives.
We applied a 2-pound closed-cell insulation underneath the floor of the crawl space. That application really helps in the summertime with keeping the house cooler and the humidity out, and the winter times will keep the house warmer. From the beginning to the end of the spray foam job, everything was very consistent and smooth. The gun gave 0 hiccups. We didn't have to stop at all. I don't have to play around with the temperature or the material at all. And it worked in my favor the whole way.
Working with Honeywell has been very easy. It's been a seamless transition from the old blowing agent technology into the new one. The foam's reacting beautifully. We're getting a nice, smooth, even, consistent surface, and we're getting no issues whatsoever. Just a consistent, easy to use, contractor-friendly product. And the people from Honeywell have been fantastic in helping us develop the system and get it out in the field and try it. My recommendation is that their Solstice LBA is probably the best new blowing agent on the market.
Spray foam system performed very well today. It adhered to the substrate. It was a gorgeous day. The system and the foam looks wonderful.
I would certainly recommend this type of insulation. It's worked really well in our cottage. It's flexible to apply, it provides a high degree of warmth, and I think it will help seal the cottage effectively underneath. At the end of the day, it just feels good knowing that we've chosen a product which is beneficial to the environment.